Hello Kickstarters, my name is Victor Conchin, and this is the Creation Station CNC router. The Creation Station is a CNC router kit designed from the ground up to be both high quality and high performance, but also affordable to anyone. Unlike 3D printing, CNC is a mature technology that has been around for many years and is widely used in manufacturing. Unfortunately, today CNC machines are only available in either expensive high-end commercial models or low-end consumer-grade models that lack the capabilities and performance to make them very useful. We are about to change all that. We designed the Creation Station from the ground up to deliver exceptional performance that is comparable to machines costing thousands of dollars, but we bring it to you at a price you can actually afford. Our goal is to finally bring the powerful capabilities of CNC into the mainstream. We couldn't be happier with the result, and we know you will be too. Most consumer CNC machines have a tiny work area that severely limits the kind of projects you can work on. Not so with the Creation Station, which features a massive 24-inch by 24-inch by 5-inch work area. This large work area allows you to make a much wider range of really cool stuff. Unlike 3D printers, which limit you to small plastic trinkets, the Creation Station is able to shape any material softer than steel, including foam, circuit boards, wood, plastic, aluminum, brass, stone, ceramic, even glass, you name it. If you can fit it in the machine and it's softer than steel, the Creation Station can shape it. The Creation Station also has features typically seen only on much more expensive commercial CNC machines, such as ball-bearing lead screws that are extremely durable and highly efficient to deliver more torque and higher feed rates. The Creation Station also uses 20mm thick linear rails for exceptional rigidity, accuracy, and durability. The Creation Station supports a 1-horsepower router driven by 3 powerful NEMA 23 stepper motors and a custom-designed controller board that utilizes the latest driver technology from Texas Instruments. The Creation Station comes in an easy-to-assemble kit that anyone can put together in only a few hours. It's easy to set up and use. We provide complete end-to-end instructions to get you up and running fast. The Creation Station will be completely open source. We believe in the power of open source and want to build a collaborative community around the Creation Station. We plan on shipping the Creation Station in the order in which backers made their pledges, so the sooner you become a backer, the sooner you'll get your Creation Station. Please back our project today. Thank you for watching.
Ja, dus dan moeten we het goed doen.